Hello everyone, welcome to Know How Pro. So today I'm going to show you how to make money from OPay just by inviting your friends. So this is it. You share your link, your friends accept, your friends add money to it. Then when they add a minimum of 1000 naira, you get 800 back. Look at it down here. Here. Where is it? Here. As you can see there, when get 800, when a new user you referred fund their OP account with 1000 or more. You understand? So this is a way to make money if you want to use it. The more friends you invite, the more money you make. So use the link on my description to download OPay, and when you deposit, then I get 800. And the more you invite friends, you get 800 also. The link will be on my description and on my comment also. And I'm going to be making a video on how to get foreign numbers also. And also, I know I've not been posting regularly, but that's going to change very soon. Okay, so thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and leave a comment, and also like the video so you can post more often.